Do you want to remove your profile picture on Facebook but don't know how? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step instructions on how to do it quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on your name at the top. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top left. And then tap See Profile Picture. And now you can see your current profile picture on Facebook. So in order to remove your Facebook profile photo, you have to delete your current profile photo. If you want to do that, just tap on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap Delete Photo. And it will show you a little pop-up. Are you sure you want to delete this photo? Simply tap Delete. As you can see, I don't have a Facebook profile photo right now. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.